I bet you didn't know these mind-blowing facts about the female body. Today we're diving into some fascinating and weird facts about the female body that you probably didn't know. From super senses to incredible resilience, let's get started. Did you know that women have a better sense of smell than men? It's a fascinating fact that has intrigued scientists for years. Studies show women can detect odors at lower concentrations, making them more sensitive to a variety of smells. They can also discriminate between a wider range of scents, identifying subtle differences that might go unnoticed by others. This heightened sense is linked to a greater number of olfactory receptors in their noses, which are specialized cells that detect smells. Evolutionarily, a keen sense of smell could have been crucial for foraging, caring for infants, and avoiding dangers. It helped in identifying ripe fruits, detecting predators, and even recognizing family members. Interestingly, this superior sense of smell fluctuates throughout a woman's menstrual cycle, peaking around ovulation. This means that at certain times their sense of smell is even more acute. So the next time you're impressed by a woman's ability to identify a subtle note in a perfume, remember, it's science. Their noses are finely tuned instruments honed by evolution and biology. Women blink more often than men, around 19 times per minute compared to men's 11. This seemingly small difference can actually have a significant impact on eye health and comfort. One hypothesis suggests that women have slightly smaller corneas, leading to increased blinking to keep the eyes lubricated. Blinking helps to spread tears evenly across the surface of the eye, providing essential moisture. Another theory points to hormonal differences, with higher levels of estrogen linked to increased tear production. Estrogen can influence the composition and volume of tears, making frequent blinking necessary. Regardless of the reason, this difference in blinking behavior is another fascinating example of biological variations between the sexes. It highlights how our bodies adapt in unique ways to maintain optimal function. So, next time you notice a woman blinking more, it's just another unique trait. It's a small but vital part of how our eyes stay healthy and comfortable. Statistically, a woman's heart beats faster than a man's. This difference is typically a few beats per minute but consistent across studies. One theory points to size. Women tend to have smaller hearts, meaning they need to pump faster to circulate the same amount of blood. Hormonal influences, particularly estrogen, also play a role in affecting heart rate. While a faster heartbeat might seem insignificant, it can have implications for how women experience and respond to certain medical conditions. When it comes to pain tolerance, women are the undisputed champions. Studies show women have a higher pain threshold, likely influenced by hormones, genetics, and psychological conditioning. Estrogen plays a protective role in pain perception, while testosterone may increase sensitivity to pain. Women are often conditioned from a young age to endure pain associated with menstruation, childbirth, and other biological processes. This societal expectation and personal experience contribute to their remarkable pain tolerance. Ever noticed how women seem naturally more flexible than men? Women generally possess greater flexibility due to differences in muscle and tendon composition. Specifically, women have a higher proportion of elastin, a protein that allows tissues to stretch and recoil. This increased elastin content grants them a greater range of motion. This enhanced flexibility is evident in activities like yoga, gymnastics, and dance. While men might struggle to touch their toes, women are gracefully contorting their bodies into impressive poses. Juggling work, family, and a social life? Women seem to have a knack for multitasking, and science backs it up. Research suggests the female brain might be wired differently, making them more adept at handling multiple tasks simultaneously. Studies show women exhibit greater activity in brain areas associated with communication, emotional processing, and multitasking. This could explain why women often excel in roles requiring multitasking, such as project management and motherhood. When it comes to fighting off infections, women have a secret weapon: their immune system. Women generally possess a more robust immune response than men. This immune advantage stems from hormonal differences and genetic makeup. Estrogen enhances immune cell activity and promotes a stronger immune response. The X chromosome carries many genes related to immunity, giving women a genetic advantage in fighting pathogens. Ever been in awe of that friend who remembers everyone's name and face? Chances are, that friend is a woman. Research suggests women have better facial recognition skills and memory for names, attributed to differences in brain structure and function. Women tend to have larger hippocampi, the brain region responsible for memory formation and retrieval. While often demonized, body fat plays a crucial role in women's health, particularly in hormone regulation. Women naturally have a higher percentage of body fat, serving as a storage site for estrogen, essential for reproductive health, bone density, and mood regulation. This stored estrogen can be released into the bloodstream as needed, ensuring hormonal balance. Body fat also helps insulate organs, regulate body temperature, and provide a reserve of energy during stress or famine. While women's stronger immune systems offer protection against many diseases, they also come with a downside, an increased susceptibility to autoimmune diseases. This paradox means that while women are better equipped to fend off infections, autoimmune diseases occur when the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own tissues. This can lead to chronic conditions that affect various organs and systems. The reasons behind this increased vulnerability are complex, involving a mix of genetic, environmental, and hormonal factors. Hormonal influences and genetic predisposition play significant roles. Estrogen, a hormone more prevalent in women, can promote inflammation, potentially contributing to autoimmune disorders. This inflammatory response can sometimes become overactive. Women tend to have a more sensitive immune system that mounts a robust response to perceived threats, which is beneficial in fighting off pathogens, even if those threats come from their own body. This heightened sensitivity, while protective, can sometimes lead to the body turning against itself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these weird facts about the female body, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting content. We've only scratched the surface of the amazing things that women's bodies are capable of. From their super senses to their incredible resilience, women truly are incredible creations of nature. Leave a comment below with your favorite fact and see you next time.